In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Georgia State. We'll walk through the exact process so you can handle your citation quickly and avoid unnecessary trips to the courthouse. First, go to the official Georgia government resources. Start at the state website and navigate to the traffic ticket information page, or use the Georgia Judicial Branch website to find the specific court that issued your citation. Your paper ticket lists the court name, match that to the correct online portal. Many courts use their own payment systems. For example, larger municipalities and county recorders courts often have separate portals. Using the official court site helps you avoid impersonator sites and ensures your payment is credited correctly. If you don't see your ticket online right away, don't panic. Georgia citations can take several business days and sometimes up to 1 to 2 weeks to appear in the court's system. Keep an eye on your payment deadline, set a reminder to check back, and hold on to your paper ticket until you've paid. When your citation is available, enter your ticket information exactly as it appears on the ticket. You'll typically be asked for your citation number, your last name, your date of birth, and sometimes your driver's license number. Type everything carefully. Pay attention to dashes, spaces, and zeros versus the letter O to pull up the correct record. Next, review the citation details on screen. Confirm the violation description, the fine amount, any court costs, the payment deadline, and whether the case is eligible for online payment. Some Georgia courts list additional options here, such as payment plans, a defensive driving course, or reduced fines for eligible drivers, depending on the violation. Read all notes closely so you understand your choices before you pay. When you're ready to pay, select the payment option offered by the portal. Most Georgia court systems accept major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and Discover, as well as debit cards. A small convenience fee may apply, which will be shown before you submit. Make sure the total looks right and keep the page open until you receive confirmation. Finally, save your receipt. Screenshot or print the confirmation page, and if the system emails a receipt, store that message as well. Keep your proof of payment with your records until the court reflects the payment and any deadlines tied to the ticket have passed. That's it. Follow these steps and you can take care of a Georgia traffic ticket online with confidence.